Hello class, welcome back. We are getting ready to do lesson 13-2. I can evaluate expressions with parentheses, brackets, and braces. So it's very similar to the order of operations. There's just a specific order that we have to do things in. So I was just going to review real quick the order of operations. The first thing you do in a problem is always whatever's in parentheses. It doesn't matter what order something's in from left to right, but if something's in parentheses, you do it first. So even though this 7 times is on the left, you're going to do the 2 plus 4 first and get 6, and then take 7 times 6 to equal 42. After you've done the parentheses, if there's any exponents, you'll do that second. Here's another problem. 7 to the third power divided by 3. So first what you would work is 7 times 7 times 7, and then you're going to take that divided by 3. After that, you multiply and divide from left to right. So if the division came first in the problem, you would do it first. If the multiplication came first, you would do it first from left to right. Last of all, you add or subtract, also from left to right. So whenever we have a problem that has a parentheses and or brackets and braces in them, you'll do them in exactly that order. The parentheses come first, then the brackets, then the braces. So it's reverse alphabetical order. Because in alphabetical order, this would come last, that one would be in the middle, and this would be first. So it's reverse alphabetical order. So parentheses look like this, as you probably already know. If there's something in parentheses, you'll do that first. Brackets are these kind of like half of a square. You would do those second. Braces are these little squiggly type lines, and you would do those third. And it's kind of, you always work from inside out. So see how the parentheses inside the bracket and the bracket is inside the brace? So first we're going to do the parenthesis, because back here in our order of operations, parenthesis always comes first. So we're going to do all of this part of the problem first, and then we're going to divide by 1/2. So 11 minus 5 is 6. And in our bracket here we have 2 plus 6. And then here's our brace equals. So now we're going to take the 2 plus 6. We're going to do what's inside the bracket. That's 8. So these are inside our brace. Divided by 1/2. Then 5 times 8 is 40. Divided by 1/2 equals, now if you remember when we divide, we're taking 40 and we're dividing it into halves. Each one of those is going to be a half. It's like we had 40 squares and we divide them into halves. So 40 divided by 1/2 is 80, because if we wrote out 40 boxes and we divided them into half, each one's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 all the way across until we had 40 of them. So that'd be 80. Or you can multiply by 2/1 to also get 80. That's the standard algorithm. Either way, you come up with the answer of 80. So this was a pretty quick lesson. I would recommend watching the video. I also posted on Class Dojo a little chart with the parentheses, bracket, and braces where the assignment is. So you might want to write that down. Parentheses is first, brackets second, braces are third, and you can write down what they look like, because that's probably new to you. I miss you guys. I hope you're having a great day. Thanks for watching, and thanks for doing your math. That makes me proud. I love seeing when you've done an assignment.